Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install GhostBSD 23.10 operating system on VirtualBox 7.0 with the guest versions. So before you install GhostBSD, make sure that you have installed the updated version of VirtualBox. So this is my updated version of VirtualBox 7.0 which I have installed as of now. So first up is I am creating one GhostBSD virtual machine. So GhostBSD is a flavor of FreeBSD operating system. So next I am providing the destination path where virtual machine is getting stored. So this is a GhostBSD DVD ISO file which I already downloaded from GhostBSD website, and flavor I am selecting FreeBSD 64-bit. Okay, type is BSD, flavor is FreeBSD 64-bit. So next I am allocating 8 GB RAM, 4 CPU cores with 40 GB virtual hard disk. Finish it. So GhostBSD 23.10 virtual machine is created. So uncheck the floppy from motherboard. Pointing device will be USB tablet, and network will be NAT. We need internet connection in order to download some packages. And display, so here very important. So display I am going to change to VirtualBox SVGA. Okay, display is VirtualBox SVGA. So this is a display compatible to GhostBSD operating system. So keep in mind display is different from other virtual machines. Okay, so this is the boot menu. I am selecting the first option. So this is the desktop screen of live CD. Let me arrange the display, adjust the display size of live CD. So in the desktop you can see the icon install GhostBSD. Click the icon install GhostBSD. This will start the GhostBSD installer. Yes, so English will be my default language. Keyboard English. Time zone I am selecting accordingly to my location. Next, full disk configuration. Installation type I am selecting full disk configuration. So ZFS configuration, you select the virtual hard disk and click the next. Select FreeBSD. So provide the administrator root password. So provide the administrator root password. Next, provide login username under user setup. Provide the name of computer, that is host name. Finally provide the password to the login user. So installation is started. So installation is completed. So I am going to shut down the virtual machine. So once again go to settings, general. I have enabled the share, clipboard and drag and drop bidirectional. So display I am not changing any, VirtualBox SVGA only. So hard disk will be the first device in boot order. Uncheck the optical drive under motherboard. Network connection, we need it. Okay, that's it. So I can able to view the GhostBSD operating system in full screen. So now I am opening the terminal, login as a root user. So now I am going to install VirtualBox guest editions. Okay, so this is a command under the FreeBSD. This is the command for GhostBSD. pkg install VirtualBox -OIC -additions. You can see that most recent versions of packages are already installed. So VirtualBox OIC additions, that is guest edition, is already installed. So only I enabled the shared clipboard and drag and drop features before starting the operating system. Okay, so now I am going to copy paste this terminal output to Windows host machine notepad to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. So guest edition is already installed. Okay, so all the necessary files also installed. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Let me try from Windows host machine to GhostBSD operating system. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Okay, shared clipboard feature is working fine. Now let me check the shared folder feature. So shared folder is not working for me. So instead of that, I am going to try drag and drop. Okay, so drag and drop. Let me try drag and drop. Yes, drag and drop is working fine. Let me try one more file. So you can transfer files by dragging and drop into GhostBSD desktop. Yes, I can able to drag and drop, that is copy paste to desktop. Yes, I can also able to open the copied files. So GhostBSD 23 installation on